Wonder Pets. We are thankful. It's that time of year, Linny shouted with glee, to gather round with our family. Let's soar through the sky, high up above, to celebrate the holidays with those who we love. But first, the Wonder Pets stopped in some places so they could give thanks to some favorite faces. They said, "Thank you so much, baby sea lion, for being yourself and for always trying." They said, "We're so grateful, little ladybug, that you know how to give a great big hug." Next, they thanked a mama kangaroo, and then they thanked her Joey too. They even thanked a baby squid, and he looked so happy that they did. They arrived, and there was Grandma Ginny. She had hugs for Ming Ming, Tuck, and Linny. Then they feasted on fruit and celery too. And they were so very thankful for friends like you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Wonder Pets stories, check out my Wonder Pets playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for joining me today, and we'll see you all in the next adventure.